Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is MariiiBajariii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title and by the way this face looks right here, I am doing a Euphoria inspired makeup look. Finally, this has been long awaited. I've been seeing so many people do it and I haven't got the chance to sit down and actually film it. And also, I was waiting to get some rhinestones and I was like, I need to go to the store. I kept stalling. And the other day I was going through my drawer and I found a whole bunch of rhinestones. So here I am filming this makeup look and I am freaking obsessed. I might have to add these rhinestones to literally every makeup look I do because it just makes it look so, I don't know, like it just looks so freaking and like, ooh. I don't know. If you guys are interested to see how I did this look right here, I suggest you keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So for today's video, I want to do like a Euphoria inspired makeup look. I haven't watched the show. Might be kind of crazy because I feel like I'm behind. I feel like everybody watched it already. But I really wanted to do a makeup look with rhinestones. It's funny because I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I was like, I need to go buy rhinestones. I don't have any. And turns out I have these in my drawer. So I'm literally like hella late behind, but it's never too late to do it, you know? So I already did my eyebrows using my Anastasia Brow Wiz. So I'm going to start prepping the skin. I also already put chapstick on because I like to have my lips prepped. So I use the Laneige Sleeping Mask and this is the strawberry one. I think they only have strawberry. I'm not too sure. So for under eye cream, I'm using my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright under eye cream. Always start by prepping the skin before you put any types of makeup on. Well, I guess I kind of went against that because I put eyebrows on. Now for my moisturizer, I'm using my Ole Henriksen Sea Crush Brightening Gel Cream. This stuff smells so freaking good. It kind of reminds me of like a orange creamsicle. I used to like love hate those. I don't know, like orange with vanilla in the middle. Not too sure. But oh my gosh, this moisturizer has been the best thing I've ever purchased. It literally makes my skin feel so good. Alright, to prime the skin, I'm using this No Pore Blam Prime Essence by Touch in Soul. Again, with the primers, I kind of just use whatever primer that I have. Just put it like that, and then, oh my god, I kind of use a lot. Just apply it all over. Alright, so for foundation, I'm using my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation. I am in the shade 113 Light. And I just pretty much apply it with my finger before I go in with the beauty sponge. I'm going to take the little Dose of Colors beauty sponge to apply it. So now for concealer, I'm taking my Born This Way concealer in the shade Vanilla. And I'm just going to apply that under the eyes like so. And then again, take that same Dose of Colors beauty sponge. So now to set under my eyes, I'm taking my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Nothing new here, except it's a new one, brand new. I just got these eyelashes done yesterday, so I'm like so scared to like get really close to them because I don't want to mess them up, you know? So I'm being very gentle. So make sure you blend out the concealer, there's no creasing before you go in with translucent powder. Now for the rest of my face, I did set like some powder on my nose and lip area just so it can really, I guess, bake, but not bake. Just so I don't get super oily throughout the day, you know? So I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Powder in the shade Banana Yellow. And I like to use this powder for all over my face because I feel like the Laura Mercier one is a little too white, so this one just gives me some more color. And this is where I go and wipe away the other powder. Alright, so now for bronzer, I'm going to go in with my Benefits Hoola Bronzer. And I'm using a Real Techniques multitask brush to apply it. Alright, so now for blush, I'm using my MAC Gingerly Blush. And I'm going to be using a stippling brush to apply that. I feel like a lot of blush is going to look really cute with this look. We'll go back to the highlight after, but I'm going to go into the eyes now. Alright, so for the eyes, I really want to keep it very simple. So I'm going to go in with my Hoola Bronzer and just take a Morphe M441 brush to apply some bronzer into the crease. Okay, so I think I'm gonna keep it just like very neutral and then like a pop of inner corner. Okay, so to give it that pop, I think I'm gonna go into the Jackie Aina palette and take the shade Trust Issues, which is this like icy shade right here, and apply that into the inner corner. Oh yeah. Ooh, gorgeous. This definitely is an iridescent shade, so it looks like it's like green, orange, golden. Oh, it's pretty. And I'm also just gonna kind of like bring it up. Yeah, just bring it up here so it gives that like reflective look, you know? Alright, so before I go in with highlight, I'm gonna set my face using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And then I'm gonna set my brows using my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I'm kind of going all over the place. So I'm going to go in with my MAC Oh Darling highlight to make myself glow. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Illuminati loose highlight by Artist Couture. And I'm taking this Morphe M310 brush to apply it. Alright, so now time to apply the rhinestones. I think I'm gonna do like 4 up here and 3 down here. I'm not too sure yet. I have like so many like Euphoria pictures, like the way they do the rhinestones, you know, and I'm kind of just gonna follow that. A lot harder than I thought. They kind of started to fall in my eyelashes, so I think I'm gonna bronze down here before I put some more on. So I'm gonna go back into my Hoola bronzer and take this Sigma small angled brush to kind of like smoke out the lower lash line. I'm gonna go back into the rhinestones and kind of do the same thing, but I'm gonna be using smaller rhinestones. There's like 3 sizes on here, so I'm gonna use the smallest size to do on the bottom. Alright, so I think I want to do a glossy lip for my lips, but I'm gonna line them first. So I'm using my LA Girl Keep It Spicy lip liner. So for the lip gloss, I'm going to be using my NARS Orgasm lip gloss. And then to give it more of like glitter pop of sparkle, I'm going to go in with my Dose of Colors Desi X Katie over the top. Alright guys, so this is the finished Euphoria inspired makeup look. I'm honestly obsessed with these freaking rhinestones. I've been wanting to do this for so long, and I finally found my rhinestones. I just sat down and did it. This is more of like a neutral look. I know Euphoria is more of like iridescent, it's like purples and pinks, but I just wanted to keep it neutral and then just add the pop of rhinestones to make it more glam and Euphoria-ish. So yeah, that concludes today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, before I go, comment down below what type of Halloween makeup looks you guys like to see. October is going to be here before we know it. I need to get those videos started, so leave a comment down below of what type of Halloween makeup look you want me to do, because I'm open for anything. So yeah, like I said, comment down below what you like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angels channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
We dancing.